The Tuffy under rear seat lockbox is a great choice for anyone using their 07 or newer crew cab Silverado for work-related tasks that might leave you wanting a safe place to lock up personal items that you want to keep out of others' hands. It's also a great place to keep some firearms or emergency equipment as well, and the box itself comes in at about the $400 mark. Now, the installation is nothing really, since you'll just have to pop the box into place under your rear seats with no drill brackets to keep it in place so it doesn't move around. Expect 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. There can be times you really want to be able to securely lock something up, like a rifle, security items, or simply a jump box and ratchet straps. Now, if that's the case, you can save room in your bed by avoiding those bed lock boxes and use up the space underneath your cab's rear seats. This is specifically made to fit under there, utilizing the wasted space for good. Now, the box comes with brackets to keep it in place, preventing anyone else from just taking it and stealing it, or just preventing it from shuffling around while you're driving. Now, it comes with 1/8-inch thick components made from pure welded steel for strength. Now, it's a foolproof box with absolutely no weak points. It's got a Pry-Guard technology that prevents anyone from getting it open without a key. That, in combination with built-in automotive weather seals and a 10-tumble lock, your cargo is safe inside your truck. As you can see, it comes with the key I have here, and once it's unlocked, in both cases, it actually splits down in the middle, so you have this little section that opens up, but you also have a dual lock other chamber here that opens up with, moldings to your floorboards and whatnot, locking that into place securely. And like I said, it's really foolproof, so you're not cracking this thing open. Now, there is no separation between each storage component, so it is one big opening, but there are 2 different doors if you want to make it easier on you for storing different sized cargo. And once you close that down, you can just lock both of these into place and it won't come back open. With all that said, you can pick up the Tuffy lockbox for just about $400, and considering it's like an in-truck safe for anything you want to store, I'd say it's a worthwhile price to keep your things safe. Now, if you're wondering about fitment in other scenarios outside of your vehicle, the dimensions are 56 inches by 13 inches by 8 inches on the front and 6 inches on the back. These are finished in a fusion bonded epoxy powder coating to protect against any corrosion or rust. Getting this bad boy in your truck is really not all that crazy. The brackets keep it bolted down in place, no drilling necessary whatsoever. Overall, 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and it'll probably take you about 30 minutes, maybe from start to finish, even if you have to clean out some of the stuff under your seats already. So let's head over to our Silverado, pulled into the shop to see how we get this thing in.
Installing your under-seat lockbox is very simple. All you have to do is remove 2 18mm nuts from the studs securing your rear seats. With those 2 nuts removed, you can go ahead and grab your lockbox and lay it down flat. We're going to set up those 2 brackets here behind the seat so we can secure it to the vehicle. All right, with the box in the vehicle, we can start securing it with the provided brackets. To do that, you're going to take one of your brackets and 2 of your carriage bolts and just slide them through these little holes right here so that the studs are facing outward. Once you have your 2 bolts in place, you're going to thread it through these holes right here on the back of the box. All right, with the bracket attached to the box loosely, you're going to take 2 of your flat washers, 2 of your wing nuts, and you're going to tighten it down to the box. All right, with our passenger side all set up, we're going to do the same thing to the driver's side. All right, with both of our brackets set up, we can now tighten our box down. We're going to slide the brackets over our rear seat studs. We're going to put our 18mm nuts back on, and we're going to tighten those back down. All right, with your box tightened down, that actually wraps up the install. Nice thing about this box, as you can see, you still have some unlocked storage space back here if you want to put any recovery tools back there. But once you put your seats down, you can see it does not take up any leg room, which is certainly a nice touch. All right, once you've installed your lockbox, you can go ahead and lower your seats like I just did. Make sure that the 2 doors line up between the 2 seats. that we can open up either side when you want to. That actually wraps up my review and install of the Tuffy under rear seat lockbox fitting your 07 to 18 crew cab. I'm Travis, thanks for watching. Keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.